Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and the Grays are still on strike. No light up aliens until donations are received from my recalcitrant subscribers. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. I'll lean this up against here and hope it stays up. And the next item will be why it won't stay up, but after this it should. Alright, this comes from China. Already opened it up because I had to use it in the last video, but envelope. This is a aluminum folding phone stand, and this is to replace my Arctic Bear that broke. They give you a nice little bag to keep it from scratching, so keep that. And this moves in various ways, front and back, and it's on a hinge, and it just sits on your desk, and you can put your iPhone, or it'll even work. Let's do this here. It'll even work with an iPad. There it is. And I will bend this a little as forward as far as I can. And you can see the Grays on Strike sign. The Grays are in solidarity with the guy from Pittsburgh. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been an episode of Burgh Unboxing. Have a great night, and remember to donate to the guy from Pittsburgh. And remember what the Grays will tell you. They know what happened to one of their own. You'll see more about that next month, because one of the Grays didn't donate. And the guy from Pittsburgh didn't like it. Bye-bye for now.